Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I add Deco to my bullet journals. I have an entire bullet journal video. I have multiple bullet journal videos that I'll have linked in the description box for you to check out, where you can see more of my layouts and how I really customize it and make it my own, so you can get more inspiration there. But today we're just going to be talking about Deco and little ways that I add it that's quick and easy, that doesn't take much effort. So the notebook that I'm currently using is this lined one from Target. It is a lay flat notebook, so no matter where I turn it, it lays flat. What I love about this current system that I'm using is that I can add as much or as little as I want at any given time. I also have some dividers here. This is more so the planning section, whereas this is more for reference notes. And I decided to go ahead and decorate these pages to section that off. So 3 things that I really love to use. 1 is patterned paper, 2 sticky notes, and 3 stickers. Those are my top 3 when it comes to layering. You can also use, in addition to the patterned paper, vellum and acetate. Patterned paper is just super easy for me to use. I use scrapbook paper specifically for this dashboard as well as this one. This paper is from Joann's. The sticky note is from Cloth and Paper. It is like, I'm loving these, love, love, love. So I use that on both this one and this one. And then the stickers are from my stash. These are from Indian Ivy Ink, the line she has at Michael's. And you can also find stickers like these in her shop. And then this is from Fabulously Creative, and this is from the Jewel Box. So lots of layering. When it also, die cuts are another option as well, but the layering is just so much fun. It adds dimension to the page. You can layer as much or as little as you want, so I love that. And then also here in the front, I got this idea from Posh Plans. She was doing this in her spiral planner. She covered the pages that she didn't want from the original design of the planner with label paper. And at the time, I didn't have my label paper, so I just went ahead and used printer paper. And I'm slowly but surely adding to this. When I find something that I want to add, I do, and that's it. So this is another way, like more of a collage, that is a work in progress. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the new one that I'm adding in. So I have this space in between my week on 2 pages, and why not, instead of just putting sticky notes, because I want to keep track of my happy mail and then also my videos of the week. And these sticky notes are from Cloth and Paper as well, but I want this page to just be more decorative. So I'm going to pull in some paper. This is actually digital paper from why is it not coming to me? This is digital paper from the Planner Society. It was from that box. So, not box, well, from the latest kit. And I actually used a lot of the stickers in my fun planner. And this is my fun planner here. I put a lot of stickers, sticker kits, I should say, inside of here. I'll share with you some. So this one, Birch and Birdie. Another one from Birch and Birdie here. And then this one is from Anika Creative Closet, which I did a plan with me on. I have the Birch and Birdie one coming as well. So that is where I do like sticker kits and stuff. But as far as just like regular stickers, like the dolls and stuff that I have, as well as, again, using my sticky notes and whatever else that goes in here. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this paper. I cut it pretty much all good. So it's this one that I'm going to need. And this paper I wanted after I purchased the sticker kit, but because I really loved this collection opposed to the other ones that I had seen, but I didn't want to go and wait and order just the paper. So when it came out on when she released the digital, I was like, let me go ahead and get that. And I can print it out on, you can print it out on cardstock, but I just have it printed out on regular printer paper because I'm putting it into my notebook anyway, so it doesn't need to be super thick. So, should I measure more? Sure, absolutely. Will I? Probably not. All right, I just need to take a little bit more off of this. I don't know. I'm not, when I need to measure, I do. But for stuff in my journal, I don't care that much to be measuring. I just let it, whatever happens is gonna happen. So here we go. Perfect. So now I'm going to take my double-sided tape. This is one of my favorite ones from Joann's. Every time I've gone in there, I have tried, keyword tried, looking for it. But I can't find it. So I just want to find larger rolls of double stick tape. It's my favorite adhesive of all time. And it's so funny, when I was growing up, my grandmother would always call me the tape bandit, because anytime there was tape in the house, Lakia had it. So to this day, I just love tape. And double stick tape is my fave. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. So I'm just gonna go with the floral this time around, and then the other print I have here. And then all of the Planner Society stuff, if you just want to go ahead and check out the paper, by all means, they have the older kits as well. So I like digitals. I'm on a digital wave right now. I know a lot of people don't, because they're like, I'm not paying to cut and all that kind of stuff. And that's fine. That's personal preference. Sometimes I don't want to cut my stickers. But now that I have a machine to do that, I'm going to give it a try. So we'll see. But printing paper, I don't care about that. That's minor. That's nothing. It's just a matter of printing and putting it down on the page. And I didn't do this one right, but we're gonna go with it. So now this is where I can go ahead and put my sticky notes, so they will have a permanent home. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this one, so I have my videos as well as my happy mail. And now I'm gonna go into my stash here and put like a doll or something in the corner. Here it is. This is what I'm looking for. I was looking for this sticker book. And now I'm just going to put a doll. And I'm going to put her. And this is from Fabulously Creative. You can use the code LACFAB for 10% off. I'll have it linked in the description box. And she's just going to be so cute right here. She has on her Black Lives Matter tee. Yes. Love. Love, love, love. So that is it for adding Deco to my planner and still having it be functional. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions you have down in the comment section. Check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to products featured, related videos, and of course the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. I appreciate you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.